Increditales.
Look at those cookies, Robin. Are you hungry? Are you going to eat one? No, Robin. Don't eat all of them at once. Why did you do that? Now you'll get hiccups. Come on, Robin. Don't make a fuss out of it. See, Robin, it's only hiccups. Such a drama, Prince. Drinking some water will surely help you. Oops! Oh no! Now Snow White has hiccups too. Beast, you have to help Robin and Snow White. They have hiccups. What is Beast up to? A scare? Good idea. Aww, you look so cute, Beast. Oh no, another hiccup victim. Your friends are having a contagious hiccup, Alice. They need your help. A spider! Wait, that's not a real spider. That's a toy. It's real! It's real! You're so naughty, Alice. Hey, it worked. No more hiccups. Yay! The spider cured you. Not again! Happy birthday, Snow Queen! That cake looks so good! Make a wish! Why won't this candle blow out? I see! It's a magic candle. You're so naughty, Alice. That should do it. That's too low, Snow Queen. Power up. Not that much. Oh no! The cake is going to fall on the ground. Nice catch, Alice. I can't believe this. Oh, this will need some vacuuming. Snow Queen, do you really think this is a good idea? You used it all before. Well done, Snow Queen. Yay! It worked! Maybe it worked too much. What a lovely day to be out in the park. It really is a perfect place for a date. And it looks like Beast and Belle have brought each other gifts. How romantic. Oh no! You've prickled your finger. But luckily, Dr. Snow White is on call today. Calm down, Beast. Show the doctor your boo-boo. In the Doctor. This is a classic case of the prickled finger. Come back, Beast. These scissors are meant for cutting the Band-Aid. He is such a baby. He couldn't have gone too far. Oh. Great idea, Belle. These are his favorite cookies. See? That wasn't so bad, was it? Thanks, Dr. Snowhite. Hello, Rapunzel. Wow! Your hair looks so nice. So pretty. Oh! What was that? You're right. It's probably nothing. Rapunzel. Huh? I think this was a flea. Yuck. Woof. Very smart, Rapunzel. Now you look super nice again. Problem solved. Uh-oh. It definitely looks like you've got fleas. Have you been skipping bath time? You have to get rid of them. It looks like they're gone. It is getting worse. But where are they coming from? Well done, Rapunzel. With water and soap, the fleas will pop. And the good news is that you can now comb your hair again. It seems that was the last one. Huh? Your brush? It was right here a few seconds ago. Where is it now? This is strange. Footprints! Maybe someone took your brush. Let's follow the footprints. The track is leading us to Beast's bedroom. What's the matter, Rapunzel? Yuck! Beast has been using your beloved hairbrush and filling it with fleas. Let's put an end to this. Yeah, Rapunzel, scrub hard. Get Beast totally clean. They're here. Hi. Welcome to Little Mermaid's slumber party. What did you bring, girls? Little Red Riding Hood brought candy. Sleeping Beauty brought her makeup case. This is going to be the best sleepover ever. High five, Sleeping Beauty. Sleeping Beauty? The girls are getting their makeup done. Wow, you look great, Red Hood. Isn't she beautiful, Sleeping Beauty? Look like she's busy. It's time to dance! Yay! Great move! Woo! Go, Red Hood! Looks like Sleeping Beauty loves it. What? So rude. She won't let the phone go. It's war! Cushion fight! Drop the phone already! That's a funny picture. Oh, you're having so much fun. But they miss you. Oh, girls. Welcome to the Increditales contest. Today, it looks like the cooks competing are Snowhite and Cinderella. And here's our judge, Snow Queen. Let's see what today's challenge. Cupcakes. Contestants, on your mark, get set, go! Wow, great technique, Snow White. Good effort, Cinderella. Perfectly done. Well, let's see how it goes. Time keeps going. Yummy! Those cupcakes smell so good. I think the heat of the oven was too high, Cinderella. Hurry up, girls. There isn't much time left. Wow! Those cupcakes are so perfect. The time is almost up. Oh, Cinderella, you're gonna use a secret ingredient. I don't think that's fair. So nervous. A few seconds left. Time's up. Oops. When the clock strikes 12, the magic is over. And the winner is Snow White. But how to share them if you are 3 and there are only 2 cupcakes? That should do it. Wow, Little Red Riding Hood scooter looks like fun, doesn't it, Alice? Wow, so cool! Red Hood, Alice is wondering if she can borrow your scooter for a bit. Come on, Red Hood. You've already delivered all your packages today. And tomorrow, Alice will return your scooter without fail. And you can get back to work. It's really cool, isn't it? Alice will be extra careful with it, Red Hood. Don't worry. So fun! Wow, what a jump! Careful! Oh no! Are you okay, Alice? No harm done, it seems. Oh no! The scooter is wrecked! And Red Hood needs it back tomorrow to deliver the packages. Belle, we need your help. Alice broke Red's scooter by accident. Could you fix it, please? Great! Wrench, headlights, hammer. What's that? Belle, you're a genius! Here we are, Red, and on time. Don't forget your helmets. And this button? How cool is your scooter now, Red? Bye! Nothing good on TV, girls? Wow! A horror movie! It looks so spooky! Hey, Snow White, where are you going? That's right, a movie is always better with popcorn. Hurry up, or you're going to miss the entire film. Come on, it's taking so long. Popcorn is ready! Now the show can go on! Where did all the popcorn go? No way! Did you eat all the popcorn already? That's a lot of popcorn, Little Mermaid. Quick! You're going to miss the film. Popcorn has arrived. It's your turn, Aurora. That's a crazy amount of popcorn, Aurora. You have to be really careful. Aurora, wake up. Uh-oh! I guess it wasn't a good idea to leave Aurora in charge. Looking for a snack, Alice? Oh, it's as empty as your tummy. What if you gave Snow White a hand with her pizza? You can prepare a delicious meal together. Girls, stop arguing. There's only one way to settle this. You'll each make a pizza. It will be a pizza competition. Ready, steady, go! Tomato, strawberry, it doesn't matter. What's important in a pizza? That the base is red. Cheese time. That slice of cheese is split. Wait, Snow White. Alice wants the broken pieces. Meow. What's the next step, Snow White? How delicious vegetables. Or whatever else you want. It looks perfect, Snow White. So creative, Alice. And now, girls, it's baking time. Both pizzas look yummy. They are saying, eat me. Alice, do you want to try Snow White's pizza? Delicious. Come on, Snow White. A little bite won't hurt. Do you like it? You see, Snow White? In the end, you loved Alice's creation. Lunchtime, Coral. Are you hungry? Let's see if the waiter arrives to show you your table. Oh, hey, little guy. How cute. What will its name be? Oh, he's called Gloop Gloop. Here's Robin, the waiter. See you later, Gloop Gloop. Let's see what today's special is. Oh no! Today's special is Gloop Gloop. The coast is clear, Coral. Let's go rescue Gloop Gloop. Come on, hurry. It's too heavy. Quick! Robin's back. Look, the cart is unattended. The truth is that it would be a shame to throw away these delicious cupcakes. Now, let's get out of here. Great idea, Coral. This cart is perfect for transport. Oh no, Robin is blocking the way. Good reflexes. Quick, he's on our heels. I think we lost him. Be careful, Coral. Oh no, Gloop Gloop. Queen Aria is preparing her fruit ice creams. Aria, wait! Oops, too late. Hold on, Gloop Gloop. Almost there. Here is Robin with today's special. A tasty Gloop Gloop dish, but without Gloop Gloop.